Hi guys, Mantas here, and today I will show you how to back up your email list in GetResponse. So email list is your main asset, so you can market the same people over and over again. So this is very important to keep these contacts safe. So I'm going to show you two ways how to back up your email list now. First, of course, you have to log into your account. And I'm gonna quickly log in. Now you wanna go to the list section. And now you wanna press on show all contacts. And then where are three dots, you want to export all of your list. So you can name that list. I usually name it as a date. This is gonna be identifier what date I have exported that list. So I'm gonna enter today's date, 2019 11/03, and file type, this is gonna be CSV, and I'm gonna export that list now. Just press on export to new file. And now I can download that list. Once I downloaded that file, I can keep it on my computer or somewhere in the cloud, like Google Drive or Dropbox, whatever cloud storage you use, you can use it. And another way I can do it automatically is by using Zapier. So if you haven't got Zapier account, you have to create it. And yes, this way is not for everyone because it will automatically back up your email list, but it is paid. You have to pay a little bit of money to do it automatically. So once you log into your dashboard, you have to connect your accounts, GetResponse and Google Sheets. So we're looking for GetResponse and we're looking for Google Sheets. And now you have to create a trigger. When a new contact appears on your list, then you want to create a spreadsheet row. In this way, it will automatically fill up our spreadsheet with new contact. So that's how you back up your email list, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers.